Welcome to a powerful demonstration of integrated online slot booking digital workflows. On the left side of your screen, you're observing a live WhatsApp chat, a common channel for customer interaction and communication. And on the right, we unveil the sophisticated automation platform that seamlessly powers the responses and intelligence behind these conversations. As messages begin to populate the WhatsApp window, you'll notice how dynamic and responsive the interaction becomes. These aren't manual replies. Rather, they are the immediate outputs of our meticulously designed automation. The dark interface on the right showcases this very engine, a visual workflow builder where various services and logical steps are interconnected to form complex yet efficient automated processes. Each node represents a distinct function, whether it's receiving input, processing data, making decisions, or critically, generating and sending relevant messages back to the WhatsApp user. The beauty of this system lies in its ability to interpret incoming queries, trigger appropriate actions within the automation platform, and then deliver instant, accurate responses directly through the chat application. This continuous loop ensures that inquiries are handled with remarkable speed and precision, significantly reducing the need for human interaction in routine interactions. From initial engagement to providing detailed information, the entire communication journey is orchestrated and managed by the intelligent backend, all visually trackable within the workflow interface. This integrated solution exemplifies how modern businesses can leverage automation to enhance customer experience, streamline operations, and maintain a consistent, high-quality dialogue across digital channels.